MCA. I had an abortion few years ago, and I've never regretted my decision. Just found out this subreddit, might as well share my confession. I had an abortion noong 2021. I was 20 that time. My first boyfriend got me pregnant. I was devastated. Iniisip ko if hindi mawawala tong nasa tiyan ko, ako na lang sana ang mawala. I tried eating papaya for a week. As per Google, it didn't help. Nag-try din ako magpuyat lagi and hindi kumain at all. Wala rin naman nangyari. I was thinking baka kasi matibay lang talaga ang immune system ko kasi hindi ako sakitin at baka may possibility na malakas ang kapit. My ex was supportive about my decision. He didn't get mad kung anong gusto kong mangyari. He believes in my body, my choice. It was funny how I used to believe that pag ako ang nabuntis, di ko ipapalaglag. But then, it happened. Hindi ako ready. Hindi kami ready. I already know what poverty feels like at ayokong maranasan ng magiging anak ko yun. Day and night, I didn't stop searching online kung paano mag-abort or saan may abortion. Fortunately, nakahanap naman agad ako kasi ayoko na rin naman patagalin agad. And as much as possible dapat sell pa lang. The seller was legit. She had a blog na marami rin talagang nag-a-avail and successfully did their abortions. I decided to buy and did it all alone. Ex, PF that time, wasn't there to help. Kahit emotional support, wala haha. I was like, fine, ginusto ko naman to. But that was also end of our relationship. It sucks. At least I don't have a child with me, Loel. But that wasn't all. Aftermath of abortion was horrible. When I thought I got my period, buong month ako nagbe-bleed. I'm actually surprised pa nga na parang di ako nauubusan ng dugo kasi it happened few more times pa. I was afraid to go to Obgyn because of what I did, which I know is mali. Took me a year to finally get my shit together and to my surprise, kusang bumalik sa normal yung period ko. I think it's because of the lifestyle I changed. I'm really, really proud of myself for overcoming this. I will never ever regret this decision I made. After all these years, I never thought na may pinagdaanan akong ganun as it almost never crossed my mind na I'm much happier today. Edit. Thank you all for your kind words, support, and even those who defended me sa ibang comments. Ha 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 ha. Sobrang na-appreciate ko sinasabi nyo. Nakakataba ng puso. Unaffected ako sa negative comments. But to have such support from strangers really makes me happy. Sobrang thank you